Hi, thank you. Welcome back to Shake the Kitchen, where we are shaking things up with science, medicine, and excellent restaurant tips revealed so that you can make the most delicious, nutritious food for your family, whether you're a diabetic, whether you're on cancer treatment and you're losing taste sensation and you need that back, whether you're doing intermittent fasting. We've been doing intermittent fasting as a Muslim for 30 years, and we can share all the tips and tricks on how to be successful doing that. So just come on in as a master health coach, as an expert oncology nurse. I have so much to offer you. Today we are making an amazing spinach and cheese, also known as Palak Paneer. So come on in, it's Shake the Kitchen. Let's give this dish a try. You're gonna love it. Okay, so we're gonna add 1.5 cups of milk. So I already had the 1 cup in there. That's another half cup right there. And warm that up a little, and we're gonna add 1 bunch of fresh chopped spinach, but frozen spinach, a box of frozen spinach will work as well. Milk is a little bit warmed up, so we're gonna add our chopped spinach. And also, if you are doing keto dieting or low carb, you can definitely use half and half in water. So it's not necessary that you just use milk in here. Heavy cream will be fine too if you want to go that route. And we're just going to stir this in. I'm going to stir this in, and I'm slowly going to add the entire bunch of the spinach. And again, frozen spinach will work too. You just add the whole frozen block right into the milk. Occasionally while we're doing this next step. In a hot pan, we're going to add about, we'll say 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let that heat up. Of course, vegetable oil or canola oil will work as well. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 medium chopped onion. Stir that in to your oil. Okay, so we're still stirring our onions. They're not ready yet. We want to make sure that they are really properly caramelized and browned. That is when you're getting to the Maillard reaction and you're getting the true proper flavor of the food. This is a restaurant tip reveal. You don't find this information in other channels because they don't understand, and as a successful restaurant owner, I am telling you that this is why a lot of your dishes don't taste the way you find them in a restaurant, because you follow the recipe but you don't realize that you need to reach certain heat points and caramelization points of your onion in order to have the correct flavor of the dish like you had it in the restaurant. Okay, so we're going to add another little teaspoon of our oil. It's getting a little dry and I don't want the onions to burn. You can also add a little bit of water as well. It's up to you. Still not all the way there. Closer in the browning, but not yet. If you have patience, I promise you, with this step, every dish you make moving forward is going to be amazing. Just have patience with this step. Just showing you a little bit right here what the spinach looks like. It's just going on low. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what the spinach looks like. It's just sitting and boiling on very low. Just wanted to show you quick what it's looked like. Okay, so now we're gonna add the ginger and garlic paste. So we're gonna do a 2 teaspoons of ginger and 2 teaspoons of garlic. Sizzling and cooking down really nicely, and the smell is absolutely amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. You know, people don't like vegetables a lot or don't have a lot of choices in vegetables, and this is going to be such a delicious dish that you can serve to your family, and they're going to love it. It's great for diabetics, for keto, high fat, low carb, intermittent fasting. Everybody pretty much, and it's clean eating, right? We're just using, you know, fresh vegetables. And so we're going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. So we're going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. Stir that in really good, and just let that cook on its own. We're going to go to the next step now. So I'm just going to turn this on medium, maybe low to medium, and let it just cook down. We want the tomatoes to really cook down well in all these spices. So I'm going to switch this out. on the absolutely lowest setting. wanted to start with a hot oil and a hot pan. That's why it browned really nicely right away. And that's pretty much it. We're not cooking this in any way. As I said, it's just a nice soft cheese, but we do want to brown it. It helps it to hold up better in the dish. When it has that little bit of burnt, like caramelized skin on it, it really does help it to hold up a little better because it is a really mild, soft cheese. And we're just going to turn that off, pretty much let it cook on the other side, and go back to our tomatoes. Bring back our tomatoes. Dilute the salt a little so you may have to add it in. Add a little bit of water. We really want these tomatoes to cook down well. Okay, so tomatoes are still not done. We're still waiting for them to get really, really cooked down. And add water as you go. If it dries out a little bit, add a little more water again because we really want these tomatoes to cook down well. Alternatively, you can blend it, or you can also use tomato sauce if you don't have the time to wait. That's fine. You know, we're all working professionals, so totally get that. So our tomatoes are looking really good. I'm going to move that over, and I'm going to bring our hot bath, which has been give it a little bit of a blend to kind of smooth out spinach a little and make it a little smaller. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little whirl to this. And again, you don't have to do this. This is not required. If you want to keep it the way it is, that's totally fine. You know, but I am showing you how they do it in the restaurants, and that's why we are doing this right now. That's good. You don't have to make it like baby food. Just a little smaller texture. If you go to Indian restaurants and you order this dish, it is actually like baby food. They really properly blend it down. I've never done that in my restaurant. I've always kept the texture in my spinach, in my Palak Paneer that we're making today. So I'm going to bring our tomatoes back, and I'm going to actually pour this right into that. Palak Paneer, which is that paneer cheese that I showed you that we crisped up earlier, and palak, which means spinach. Now again, I've told you that you can use tofu that you've already kind of crisped up the same way. You can put shrimp in here, you can put potatoes, you can put green peas. There's so many variations. You can put some chicken, just like some chopped up, cubed up chicken that you cook. The heat because I want to cook down a lot of this milk. It's really watery, so we want to thicken it up a little bit. Okay, so definitely go ahead and add more salt. I tasted it and needed a little bit more. You guys go ahead and taste it and see how much salt you need. It's nicely thickening up. You want it to be in there. And then we're going to get our dish that we plated the food.
Sana, can you open the front door, beta? Sana!
Like 1 minute left and it's going to take us 30. Okay.
Umar, can you stop everything and come here right now?
Yeah, just open the door. Open the door. Open the door. And please,
Take this one.
Okay. So then we're going to take the vessel and we're going to place it. You see how we've plated our spinach and our cheese really nicely. So you see how we plated our spinach and cheese. Wow, I just missed a shot actually. And now we're gonna add